quickly into the seated
Gates are now open.
Once seated, secure loose articles in the zipper nozzle behind your legs and fasten your seatbelt. Please do not attempt to pull down on the lap bar at this time.
Stand on platform. Drop and clean your legs.
We're back on the front row of Iron Gwazi. Wow!
Oh, that's okay, but still goes forward. I just don't want you to go side to side.
Okay, this ride definitely warmed up. I need to ride the back now.
Oh, yeah.
The back goes crazy on this ride.
Please lift up on your lap bar and unbuckle your seatbelt. Collect all personal belongings and exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Iron Gwazi.